Zico? Oh, Kimmy and Tara, come take a seat. Everything will be ready soon. How did your day go? It was the most craziest experience that's ever... how about you start first?
She's right, Kyle. Stay cool. Oh, tantrum is coming on. No, Anna, stop ruining my past, you minger.
Don't worry, Kyle. All of the fans love your song. It takes a lot of practice.
Gee, that makes me feel a lot better.
And I'm sorry for teasing you, John Kyle.
Apology accepted, Anna.
Keep your eyes closed, Mummy.
Just out of curiosity, Tara, where did that foxtail come from?
Oh, this tail?
1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Oops, I accidentally cued the demonic logo.
Slush has been kidnapped!
Zika, do you think you can babysit Slush's kids while we're gone? Sure thing.
Wait, what about your drink?
Oh, sorry about that. Here's your pay.
Well, save you, Slush!
Calm down, Sam. If you are terrified of nightmarish things, conquer them. Be a man.
DeVelco, should you be that close to the TV? Shut up, Momo.
Mikasa, why do you have the lights on? Sorry about that, Mikey. I just got a weather alert on my phone. You think it's headed for us? I don't...
What? You just chopped off my hair! My hands are more important than your hair! Ritsu, there's a fire behind you. Well, don't just stand there and do something! But I don't know what to do! Just fan the flames like this!
We have a question about Santa.
Yeah, how is Santa gonna deliver the presents if this house has no chimney?
Oh, Santa always finds a way to deliver presents. Nothing to worry about.
Provide something so I can breathe! Alright, you don't have to yell at me! Oh my god, the fire's even bigger! We're gonna die! Hey, what are you doing? Ah!
Actually, I think you're driving the wrong way. I know how to drive. Wait, really? Yeah, I'll show you. Just sit next to me and I'll demonstrate. So do I just sit here or... Kimmy!
Is it here?
Oh my god! Shit!
Let's go outside! Ah! There's a fire! No!
Why do you have the
What's
lights
going on here? That's not what you think! Shut up, Luca!
You're in trouble.
Shut up, Luca! Get off your phone! I'm busy! Be patient, Tipper! The house is burning! Ow!
Uh-oh.
Me too, Mary. His mind was lost, his rage was gone, and the worst of all, his strength was depleted.
It's alright, Anna. You're gonna be okay.
What happened when you were in the kitchen?
Kimmy! Are you okay?
I'm not gonna cry. That was romantic and sadistic. It makes me feel crying.
It's time to stop!
Enough with the randomness and sadness.
Long story. And that's it.
You really are a knucklehead McSpazatron.
I know!